Stress is an inevitable part of life, but its biological implications can have far-reaching effects on our health, particularly as we age. At the core of this is cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. Yao. When faced with stress, cortisol is released from the adrenal glands into the bloodstream, preparing the body to respond to perceived threats. However, chronic stress can lead to persistently elevated cortisol levels, which can accelerate the aging process in various ways. In the initial stages, elevated cortisol levels can impair cognitive functions, leading to memory problems and difficulties with concentration. The hippocampus, the area of the brain responsible for learning and memory, is particularly sensitive to high levels of cortisol. Over time, the continued presence of this stress hormone can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases, essentially aging the brain prematurely. This decline in cognitive function not only affects daily life, but also increases the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, cortisol impacts physical health by promoting inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a host of age-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. The immune system becomes less efficient as cortisol levels rise, making the body more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Coupled with this, high cortisol can disrupt the body's ability to repair and regenerate tissues, which contributes to the visible signs of aging such as wrinkled skin and reduced muscle tone. Cortisol also plays a role in the regulation of metabolism. Sustained high levels can lead to weight gain, especially around the abdomen, which is often referred to as visceral fat. This fat is linked to various health risks, including metabolic syndrome, which collectively contribute to the overall aging process. Furthermore, as cortisol influences sleep patterns, many individuals find it challenging to achieve restorative sleep, leaving them feeling fatigued and stressed, preventing the body from effectively repairing itself during the night. In conclusion, the relationship between cortisol and aging is complex but significant. Reducing stress and managing cortisol levels through practices such as mindfulness, regular exercise, and healthy eating can have beneficial effects on overall health and longevity. By addressing stress effectively, we can mitigate the adverse effects of cortisol and promote a more graceful aging process, ensuring that the later years of life are meaningful and vibrant.